Welcome to Punky's World. This is an unboxing. Here it is. Toothbrush. If you recall, my electric toothbrush died. So this one is rechargeable and should last longer. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, I don't read Chinese, but it's written in English on one side, so we're good. I just need a magnifying glass to see it. Anyway, pretty self-explanatory. Look how pretty. Okay, it's got 3 brush heads, 4 brush heads, and a plug. So I think we need to plug it in first. Yeah, whoops. Okay. Ah, there it is. Okay. There. Plug it in. And these are all individually wrapped brush heads, which I like. Okay. There we go. There it is. And they're pretty soft. So it has different so anywho, this goes on the bottom and this goes in the little hole where the charger goes. So we'll keep all this together in the plastic. I'm going to plug this in. Need a plug, which I have one in here that I kept in here, just in case, because they never give you the plug. Okay, there we go. Now let's plug this in the bathroom. Yeah, they didn't give you the electrical part of the plug. That's perfect. Plug that right there. Lay that right there. And get rid of this. I don't know if the ones that go on this one will fit. I'm gonna take out the. Nah. I was gonna take out the batteries, but I don't even know. Oh my god. Oh, it came out. Anyway. I mean, they're still good. Keep these, because I can always use these. Okay, it's charging. Let's show you. That ended up working out perfectly. Sorry. There's the plug above my plug for my thing, and there it is. Perfect. The plug is above my plug for my thing that I clean my tub with. It doesn't do a perfect job. But it's the best I can do. So yeah, we'll let that stay plugged in for a while. So they usually, things like that don't usually come fully charged. They'll come partly charged. They don't usually come fully charged. So, but just to show you, 3 more brush heads. And the bottom piece. So we'll keep that just like that. I'll actually put it under the sink. Big. I put it under the, put it over here. I put it in the cupboard in there, not under the sink. That is to be read. This is to go back in my room. All right. Now, I'm done. Okay. All right. I'm going to watch Dark Side of the Ring, Junkyard Dog, and work on some posters. Then I'll be back to review it. So, for you all you'll have to do is click the next video. For me it'll be about an hour or so, which is fine. Because it's only 11:30. And I need to turn on my air conditioner. I apologize for the noise that this ends up giving, and I need to turn on. That. Okay. Thank you for joining me. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. It's hot, but it's sunny, which it hasn't been. Oh, I didn't tell you in the Daily Journal my scare last night, so I'll tell you now, real quick. I had what looked like lightning come up through my kitchen sink, which my landlord says is impossible because the pipes underneath are plastic. Yes, but all the rest of the pipes aren't. So, I don't know. Evidently, lightning hit in the backyard as well. So, if it went into the ground, it could have come up anywhere. So, I really don't know. Because it scared the neighbor. Yeah. So, my girlfriend's like, call the police department and see what they say. So I did, and they sent the fire department. I wasn't expecting 2 firemen in full gear with the fire truck with all its lights and sirens. I'm like, oh my embarrassment. So, yeah, that was my night. 8 o'clock last night. Well, actually, about 7:30. As I had gotten out of the bathtub, and I went in the kitchen to refill my prime metal smoke, and that's when I saw it, whatever it was. Scared the living daylights out of me. They did say it felt a little warm underneath, which is strange because I didn't run any water at all. But otherwise, the infrared camera didn't show anything, so they were okay with that. They just said, you hear any crackling or see any smoke or especially flames, call us back immediately. So, but everything worked out. My medicine should be there today. I called them. So, all the stuff I forgot to tell you in the Daily Journal. But like I said, thank you for joining me. Stay cool. It's hot. God bless you, and I'll see you in a little bit. Mwah. Bye, guys.